When we click the plugin, a connection window will pop up. Click the first link to open the Discord developer portal. Click New Application. Enter a name, and click Create. In the left sidebar, click Oath to. Then select Add Redirect. Go back to the connection window. Click the link at the bottom. Scroll down to find the redirect URL and copy it. Return to Discord, paste the URL into the redirect field, and click Save Changes. Click Reset Secret. Confirm with Yes, and enter your Discord password. Click Submit. Copy the client ID and secret, then paste them into the connection window. Click Request Authorization. Scroll down and click Authorize. Once you see authorization successful, the connection is complete and the plugin is ready to us.